Your body doesn't just sleep at night. It transforms, repairs, and recalibrates. And the truth is, most of us are sabotaging our longevity without even realizing it. Imagine a simple nighttime routine that helps you stay lean, sharp, and decades younger than your chronological age. Tonight, we're unlocking the exact habits super-agers follow to live longer and leaner. It starts with something deceptively simple: your circadian rhythm. Your internal clock is the master conductor of every metabolic, hormonal, and cellular process. When it's disrupted, your body struggles to burn fat, repair cells, and even detoxify naturally. Align your sleep and wake times consistently, and your body begins to function like a precision instrument, naturally supporting weight management and anti-aging. Hydration before bed might sound trivial, but it's surprisingly transformative. At night, your body relies on proper fluid balance to transport nutrients and flush toxins. Dehydration slows down this process, making you feel sluggish and interfering with cell repair. Try sipping a small glass of water an hour before sleep, enough to stay hydrated without interrupting deep rest. This simple habit primes your metabolism and gives your liver and kidneys a nightly boost. Melatonin isn't just a sleep hormone. It's one of the body's most powerful antioxidants. In super-agers, optimal melatonin release at night protects DNA, supports the immune system, and even encourages fat burning. Artificial light, especially from screens, can blunt this natural surge. Dim lights and switch devices to night mode an hour before bed to give your body the cue to produce melatonin naturally. Protein timing can dramatically influence how your body maintains muscle and burns fat overnight. During sleep, the body enters a phase of repair and regeneration. Without amino acids available, muscle breakdown can occur, slowing metabolism and aging tissues faster. A small protein-rich snack before bed, think Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, or a handful of nuts, can fuel overnight repair, keeping your body lean and strong. Gut health is a silent driver of longevity, and your microbiome works tirelessly while you sleep. Fermenting fibers and beneficial bacteria help regulate inflammation, mood, and even body weight. Super-agers often prioritize prebiotic and probiotic-rich foods earlier in the evening, like kefir, sauerkraut, or fiber-packed vegetables. This nightly strategy ensures your gut is actively supporting detoxification and metabolic health while you dream. Stress at night is a hidden aging accelerator. High cortisol levels disrupt sleep, impair fat metabolism, and inflame cells, accelerating aging silently. Super-agers master the art of nighttime de-stressing. Practices like deep breathing, journaling, or a brief meditation before bed signal the body that it's safe to relax, lowering cortisol and creating an environment where fat burning and cell repair can thrive. Temperature control in your bedroom is not just comfort, it's biology. Slightly cooler temperatures at night stimulate brown fat activity, which burns calories while you sleep. Super-agers sleep in slightly cooler environments to naturally boost metabolism and maintain lean body composition. Aim for a bedroom temperature that's comfortably cool, just enough to nudge your body into fat-burning mode without feeling cold. Intermittent fasting can extend its benefits into the night. When your body enters a fasting window before sleep, insulin levels drop, promoting fat burning and cellular cleanup processes known as autophagy. This nightly fasting approach helps maintain lean muscle, regulate blood sugar, and clear out cellular debris that otherwise accelerates aging. Ending your last meal 2 to 3 hours before bed is a surprisingly simple hack for longevity and metabolic health. Light exposure at night affects more than sleep quality. It influences weight, hormones, and aging at the cellular level. Even subtle light can signal your body that it's daytime, suppressing melatonin and disrupting repair processes. Super-agers create a dark sanctuary, free of artificial lights, to let natural rhythms guide repair and fat metabolism efficiently. Consider blackout curtains or a simple eye mask to create optimal nighttime conditions. Movement during the day is critical, but timing matters for overnight benefits. Evening gentle stretches or restorative yoga can signal the nervous system to relax, reduce cortisol, and enhance recovery while you sleep. This isn't about intense workouts at night. It's about signaling the body that it's time to repair and rejuvenate. Super-agers know that this gentle evening ritual strengthens sleep quality, supports metabolism, and keeps the body resilient against aging. Evening mindfulness extends beyond stress relief. It shapes longevity pathways. Gratitude journaling, light reflection, or listening to calming music can shift the nervous system from fight or flight into restoration mode. This nightly habit lowers inflammation, supports hormone balance, and fosters mental clarity, key markers of aging gracefully. Your brain and body enter a state where repair, detox, and fat metabolism are maximized. Supplements can complement, but not replace, a disciplined routine. Certain nutrients, like magnesium, support muscle relaxation, nervous system recovery, and deep sleep cycles. Super-agers often integrate these strategically, ensuring the body receives what it needs for repair and rejuvenation during the hours of darkness. Simple additions like a magnesium-rich herbal tea or natural mineral supplement can amplify the benefits of your nightly routine. Consistency is the final, most overlooked piece of the puzzle. Super-agers don't chase extremes. They follow a repeatable, predictable schedule that their bodies learn to anticipate. Regular bedtimes, pre-sleep nutrition, stress rituals, and controlled light and temperature create an environment where every cell in your body knows it's time to repair. This rhythmic consistency accelerates fat burning, slows aging, and strengthens resilience against disease. It's not just one habit, it's the cumulative effect. Each step, from light control to mindful reflection, synergizes to create an environment where your body heals, detoxifies, and optimizes metabolism. Nighttime is not a passive state. It's the ultimate longevity tool, waiting to be leveraged. And while these super-agers might seem extraordinary, the reality is that these habits are simple, practical, and accessible to anyone willing to prioritize their nighttime routine. The transformation is quiet, almost invisible, but profound. Leaner body, sharper mind, healthier gut, more resilient immune system, all flowing from the intentional hours of darkness where your body is designed to thrive. By adopting these evidence-backed habits, you're not just sleeping better, you're actively slowing aging, optimizing metabolism, and creating the conditions for decades of vitality. Remember, the power of longevity isn't just in what you eat or how you move or how you think. It's in how you honor your body's natural cycles. Nighttime is your superpower. Treat it intentionally, and it returns the favor with health, energy, and resilience. For more science-backed strategies to live longer, leaner, and stronger, subscribe and join us as we explore the secret super-agers use to transform not just their nights, but their entire lives.